Welcome back to day 55, out loud confidence practice. One of the things I really want to encourage you, you can't be silent. You cannot be the person that doesn't speak out online because guess what? They're not going to hear you. There's so much noise in the online space. What sound is you going to be confident on camera? Practice it, but not silently. Do it out loud. Saying your content out loud helps your energy and builds muscle memory. The more you rehearse vocally, the smoother and more naturally that you're going to feel when you hit that record button. Take that script today, read it out loud 3 or 4 times. And each round, loosen up more, use your hands, smile, add some inflection, do whatever you need to do to get your energy up. And then, think about this. Confidence isn't found in silence, it's built in sound. And comment out loud below if you're going to be commenting daily voice practice this week. One of the things I really want to encourage you, friends, is this. You can sit on the sidelines and you can watch and you can be silent, or you can get out there and you can step out in faith and you can post one 15-second video, one 30-second video, one 45-second video. But if you posted 3 videos a day consistently for the next 30 days, I can promise you your silence is not going to be silent. Your silence is going to be out there. And the only way that you're going to get better is to do it. Because I challenge you to go back to 22 whenever I first started. Yes, I was a teacher in the classroom, but that's different than being online and not having the ability to understand that I needed to post 3 times a day. It didn't have to be perfect. All of this other stuff. So you've got to realize that there's so many things that could hold you back. But if you just take the baby steps and move forward, you're going to get there faster. And when you get there faster, you're going to have that success for you and your family that you could only dream about. Friends, if you're ready to make that extra $1,000 to $1,500 to $5,000 to $10,000 months and beyond, then just get your confidence going, post the video, and then I challenge you to go back to when you first started and see how you've grown in the next 30 days, because the growth is going to be there. It's all about actions, confidence, clarity, and consistency. I'll see you tomorrow for day 56.